Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Have a President Lincoln 2 Plus. Gonna do a tune-up report for Jack in British Columbia. Okay, Jack, we're starting in AM mode with the power all the way down. We'll take a look up here. Got a 10-watt scale there. All the way down is 1. If I go up to the next scale, looking at the bottom, 10, 20, 30. And let's see. If I turn it all the way up, we're about 12, 11 and a half. Okay, peak power there, 100 watt slug. There's 40 in the bottom there. Audio, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio. Okay. And let me show you FM. Okay, all the way up is 30. All the way down, I'll go back to that lower scale again. It's just under 1. Okay, and then I'll go to sideband. We'll turn this radio down. Go to sideband. Audio. Oops, turn the power back up. Audio. That's sideband low power, about 12. And now all the way up. Audio, check. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. All right. That should do it. Let's take it out of that. Go back to AM. Just give you a quick on the air. Hey, Breaker 19 for radio check. How about a 19's my radio getting out, Breaker? 10-4, thank you very much. Happy holidays, you have a fine one.